Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be doing a aloe vera and avocado treatment. I guess it's like a hair mask treatment. A lot of people on YouTube been raving about it, so I just wanted to give it a try. So right here, I am just cutting the aloe vera plants. I got this from my local supermarket. I think I got it from Publix. It's inexpensive. It's like less than $2. So right now I'm just moving the gel with a spoon. I find that to be quite easier. So many of you guys know that aloe vera have many benefits for your hair and for your skin. When rubbing the aloe vera into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles could actually condition and improve hair damage. So if you have like an itchy scalp, just rub some aloe vera into your scalp and that'll help soothe it. So here I'm going to cut up like 2 avocados, and as you guys know, avocado is a great source of biotin, and adding this B complex vitamin may help your hair grow more healthily, okay? I heard this stuff seals your cuticle cells, which help your hair lock the smooth and shininess and prevent it from breaking. So you know I had to give this mask a try. So I hope you guys give it a try as well, and I will definitely give you my feedback. So here I am adding almond oil. I'll be adding Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and then I believe olive oil as well. You can add any oil of your choice. I choose these 4 oils because they really just go well with my hair. So yeah, just pick any oil that, you know, goes well with your hair. And I also didn't put a lot. I wish I did put a good amount, but hey, this is my first experiment, so I will definitely tweak it the next time I do it. So the only thing I would do different here, I would blend the aloe vera separate, and then I would add it to the avocados. It was definitely hard to strain. So here I'm using a glass recycled jar to put the mask in. I almost forgot to strain it, so that's why you're gonna see me pour it back in the strainer. This strainer I got on Amazon for like 20 bucks, and it's a lifesaver. I make Ayurvedic oils as well, and you know Ayurvedic oils has all the powders and stuff in there, so I would use the strainer to, you know, get all that stuff out. So I would definitely recommend this strainer. It's so much easier than using a stocking cap or a cheesecloth. So hey, I am back. As you can see, my hair is extra crispy and my scalp is extra snow white. Yeah, that's gel right there, so don't judge me now. I'll be spraying my hair with water, and then I'll be sectioning my hair off. I'm not detangling this time because that's like too much, but I'll be applying the hair mask, and then I will give you my full review at the end of the video. That didn't take long. Applying it on, it feels, I mean, of course it feels gross, but we'll see if this works, man. So now this is the aloe vera leaf. There's a little bit of jelly in here. So I'm going to just pinch it a little bit, scratch it so the jelly can kind of lift. And then I'm going to apply it to my scalp. I heard that it's good for itchy scalp. So if you have itchy scalp, you can just apply this. Apply it to my problem areas, which is my edges. My edges are growing, and I'm happy that it's growing. My scalp is really dirty, as you've seen in the beginning. It's very dirty. I was going to do my my apple cider vinegar rinse, but I just wanted to try this to see if I would see any type of benefits. I heard this mask has lots of benefits. So yeah, I just want to try and like rub it in real quick. I am using my nails, but I'm using it very gently just to lift up that dirt. Cause I don't know if I sweat a lot, but around this area, oh man, when I say the buildup is real, it's like very thick. You don't want to do it too hard. You don't want to do it hard at all, but just, you know, you need your nail to kind of scrape the dirt up just a little bit, because I want to loosen up that dirt by scraping everything up. Okay, so right now I will be going under my blow dryer, and then I will rinse out my hair, and then we will be back. No, I'm gonna go under the blow dryer. Then yeah, I'm gonna rinse out my hair and wash my hair. And then I think I will apply another deep conditioner in my Aphogee deep conditioner. I'll apply that. And then I will style and then give you my results at the end of the video. So I am done deep conditioning and done washing my hair. So guys, I don't know what it was, but this wash day was horrible. My hair did not like anything that I put on it, not even my favorite conditioners. So y'all, I don't know if I did something wrong in the process, but yeah, I did not like the mask. I will definitely try it again, but it's a no for me this time. Ever since having my son, my hair has not been the same. The shampoo I used was Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo. It was amazing. The conditioner, however, it wasn't loving it at all. I felt like I was literally going against the grain. That couldn't be just my hair in general acting crazy, or it could be the avocado hair mask. Maybe it's too much protein. Maybe my hair is protein sensitive. Is it even a protein? But I don't know. Who knows? I don't. Give me a second. But it was a struggle. I already hate washing my hair. This wash day was not different at all. Like, it was worse. I hate washing my hair now. See, this, like I said, for me, this is a lot. Okay, that's too much hair. When I was applying the mask, this is the amount of hair I lost. So together, and mind you, I didn't even style my hair yet. But anyways, I did not deep condition because I was over it. So don't be like me, okay? Just, you know, take care of your hair, right? I'm just playing. But now my hair feels like crap. So I'm going to apply my butter and oil. I'm going to do medium-sized twist, like, well, large twist. My edges are growing back though. I've been using my edge balm, edge growth balm, and my Ayurvedic oil coming out soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment. Hold on, baby. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be blessed. Deuces.